So guys, in this video we are going to discuss a topic called user input. So we have seen previous examples. A is equals to 10, but what if user wants to enter the number what he wants? So if I want to say 100, I cannot simply change the 100 every time in the script. So that will be some time consuming task, right? So what you can do is you can say A is equals to input of. So whenever you uh, define this input function, then the Python interpreter will ask for input, and then it will store in this A. So now let's print A. Now let's run the script. So here my Python script is waiting for my input. So it seems like it has been struck, but it's not. It's waiting for our input. Let's say 55, and if you hit enter, you will display the what you have entered. So because we are storing it in the variable A and we are printing it. So now let's go ahead and type print the type of this A. So if you hit enter and give some variable number 55, and it will say class string, but we have entered number, right? But because this input function by default it will interpret anything as a string. So if you want to convert this into integer, you need to say int of. So first the input function will ask for the user input. If you type 55, that will be stored as a string, and then this int function will convert the string into the integer. Now if you run this program and then let's say 55, and then you will see class of int. Now you can use this as a number, and you can see this console is waiting for our input. But to me, I have understood because I have seen this input function. But if any other developers cannot understand if they does not see this input function, right? So what we can do is we can specify the text it want to print. So I want to say enter value of A. If I put semicolon, colon, that will be nice. And now if I run this program, now it will be like a very neat manner, and it's asking for enter value of A and 55. Now the input function will store this 55 as a string, and then this integer function int of will convert that string 55 into number 55. Now I can, as you can see here, we have got the class integer. So this is the basic syntax of this input function. Input, and you take the input as a string and you can convert it to whatever you want. So you can also do it as a float. Say run this program, let's say 4.56. as you can see, class of float. Now let's run this program and give the integer only. Now it will interpret as 5.0. So you can also specify the input of enter your name. And let me, so one thing I want to show you is the print statement. You can say hi, and you can join the two strings. So this is the string joining, which I have forgot to say in the previous video. So I am going to tell it now. If you enter your name, it will store it in the A variable, and it will print hi plus your name. So let me show you. Let me say Nikhil, and it says hi Nikhil, because we are just joining this two strings. We can join the two strings. Okay, now I want to discuss this joining and multiplication of the strings. And let's go to the previous this one shell. We have still s is equals to Nikhil. What I can do is s plus sorry, I can type my first name, that is Nagsai, and then I can just say plus s. So these two strings will get concatenated. Now if I say Nagsai Nikhil, so this how you join two strings using the plus operator. And if I say s into 2, because this is the string, it will be repeated 2 times. So if I hit enter, you can see the string got repeated. So you can also define another string like first underscore name is equals to Nagsai, and then last underscore name is equals to Nikhil. So if I want to join the first name and the last name, I can simply say first name plus last name. So I will get the Nagsai Nikhil. You can also put the space in between this first name and last name. So that's all about the string joining. Now I want to tell another method, that is, okay, I will cover that former method in another video. That will be very useful in the programming purpose, and you don't need to worry about the whether a is string or any other any other data type. So that's all about this input function. This is input is used to take the input from the user. You can also put the int or string or float to convert this input variable into this respective type. So this is called type conversion. So I hope you have understood